Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide your WhatsApp online status. So having your online status on WhatsApp disables all of your contacts and all of your friends on this application to see when was the last time you were active on this application. It's very easy and can be done just in few steps, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp on your phone. There at the top right corner, you will see three little dots right next to the search icon. Click there and then choose settings. After that, you need to go ahead and choose account. So you will see a lot of options, but hiding your online status comes under privacy. So click on privacy. There you will see a lot of options, but you need to go ahead and select the first one, which is last seen on online option. So to hide your online status on WhatsApp, you will have to change the settings on both the columns that is shown on your screen. So on the first column, you can see that who can see your last thing. You need to change the setting from everyone to nobody. And on the second column, you can see that who can see when you're online. You need to change it from everyone to same as last seen. After changing your settings, you have now successfully hidden your online status on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more updates.